What's up, you guys? Welcome back to SimpleSickBuilds. For all you new subscribers, my name is Carlos. Today I'm going to be installing a new car part that I received. I haven't quite told you what it is on my 2010 Lexus, so let's just jump into it. Alright, let's get into opening this box real quick. Alright, so guys, if you guys can't tell what it is, this is like a universal lip for Lexus, right? That's what it said on the description when I purchased it. It's not carbon fiber, it's fake carbon fiber. Everything is plastic. So pretty much it's an adjustable lip. So pretty much, let me grab the instructions that are in Chinese and in English. So pretty much this is what it could do. So pretty much it has the ends, the middle, and as you can see in that clip right there, it adjusts to go wider. So for some reason it has a Honda on here, I don't know why, and it's wannabe carbon fiber. I just got that for now because I'm gonna paint them gloss black. I just wanted to, like, obviously I don't want to paint them right this second, but yeah, not bad. But before I install it, it comes with obviously screws and two of these. I just can't find the other one. So right now I'm gonna actually take out my bumper and bring it in because the weather's crappy outside. Well, I am outside, but it's like I have like a little wannabe workshop in here. So yeah, guys, let me go grab my bumper, bring it in, and see how it's gonna, or how I'm gonna install it. All right, you guys, so this is the lip right here. Well, I keep on saying lip. It's a splitter. Here's a splitter. My bumper's right here. I already took it off the car. So pretty much it's, like I said, 3 pieces. So what I did notice about this thing that I bought, it has no holes, so I have to pretty much drill the holes and do the measuring on all this, because so pretty much this goes like this on here, something like this. So pretty much it's gonna be like that, and then obviously like that, and I guess these are so it can like adjust. So if I want to go wider, I guess that's like, I don't know, like you guys like adjust it. So say I do this, okay, let me grab my bumper and try to put it on there with one hand. See if I can get this to go. It's moving, so fuck, hold on. I guess like that? I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like how it looks, to be honest. The only thing I need to do is actually install it. And I'm gonna install it, guys, and then show you guys after, because I have no clue how I'm gonna install this thing. It looks too aggressive for my car. Well, like I said, I won't know until I find out, but like what I'm trying to say with you guys is like I can make this wider. So if I wanted to go wide, well, obviously I can't fucking go wider. Damn it. Well, you guys get the idea. It's like supposed to be adjustable or some shit. So yeah, let me get to seeing if I can mock this up, and or if I'm gonna have to go to the store and get like more tools. I don't know, because I was looking, they just put like taps, like self-tap screws. That's what they sent me. So I think it needs more than that. So yeah, let me see what I can do, and I'll get back to you guys right now. So guys, pretty much I got this one, the centered one, the one that goes in the middle. I got it on using these little self-tap screws that they provided in the little bag. So pretty much it's up to you. You have to like, ah shit, I'm dropping shit. You have to eyeball it. I eyeballed it. Hopefully it's straight. If it's not, then my fault. Gotta redo it. So pretty much self-tap screws go on the bottom. But I have some more laying around, so I think I'm just gonna go crazy on it. So when it rips, it just fucking rips. I don't know. It wasn't that expensive. Like I always do, I always leave a link in the description down below if you want to purchase it. But yeah, let me continue on doing this and see if I can get it to where I want it, because it looks alright. Doesn't look bad. I just don't know how it's gonna look once I finish with those. But alright guys, I'll get back to you in just one moment. Alright guys, I got the lip. I mean, god damn it, the splitter pretty much kind of set in 2 ways. So this is kind of cool. I didn't realize this, but you can adjust it to be like very subtle. You see, like it's close to here, you know, kind of flows with that. Or you're feeling a little aggressive, want to go all out, Boom, like that. At first when I saw it was adjustable, I was like, why do I want it to be adjustable? But now that I'm looking at it, that's kind of cool. Wish it was real carbon though, that'd be sick, but I don't want to do real carbon because I know if I do real carbon, I'll do the lip real carbon, but I don't know if I would do this real carbon because I would break the shit out of that. It would be gone like in 2 minutes once I leave my house or park somewhere and I'm just not paying attention. But yeah, guys, I don't know. I might go with the other side. I don't know. This is nice. It's subtle, you know, like I can always change it up. But for now, I think I'm just gonna go aggressive, see how it looks. And if I don't like it, because the thing about this is, if you guys are planning to purchase this, if you do this look right here, you have to drill holes eventually into it. So say I drill a hole to keep it there, right? This part right here, this little piece right here, this is part of this. If I drill a hole behind it and I pull it out, there's gonna be a hole in it exposing the last hole you drilled. And if I do this one, obviously you can't see it because it's right on the actual lining of the bottom of the bumper. I drill a hole into this and I can always push this back, if that makes any sense to you guys. Because if I drill a hole in that one and then bring it out to have an aggressive look like this, I'm pretty much screwed because there's gonna be a hole just chilling probably right here because this goes all the way in, like, yeah. So I'm gonna go with this look for now. If you guys think it looks ugly, drop a comment down below and let me know, because I don't know, I'm just experimenting with my car like we all do. All the people that love cars, you know, you experiment to see what you like and what you don't like. So yeah, guys, let me see if I can drill a hole into that. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. So yeah, I'll get back to you right now. Yo guys, I'm so happy right now. So this video is turned into a 2-part thing because while I was doing this, the UPS truck came and he dropped off this. I was a little anxious, so I already opened it up, but I haven't opened up the actual box. But this is what they're what are they called? The little things that hold up the lip. I think they're called tie rods. No, if I'm mistaken, or whatever they're called. They're supports for the front lip, and they just got here. And boom, he's right here, guys. So happy these came in right now because this was gonna be another video because I didn't know when they were coming because they were so cheap that I didn't even know if they had a tracking number, to be honest. But whatever it is, I got them and I'm gonna install these after I'm done with the lips. So it might be a little longer video, but who cares? I'm gonna install these so I can just do it in one thing. So I'll get back with you once I'm done installing the splitter, and yeah. Alright guys, I finished installing the front splitter. It's a little more difficult than a regular splitter because it isn't in one piece, it's in 3 pieces, so you have to obviously measure exactly what you're doing. It looks great. Hopefully it looks better once it's on the car. I'm just gonna finish installing these little rods that hold up the splitter and I'll be done. So I'll get back to you just in a little bit. Alright guys, this is the finished product right here. Tell me what you guys think. It looks aggressive. Not bad. But what do you guys think? You know how to get the red ones right here to match, you know, the red wheels and the red oxidized, is that how you say it? Red oxidized look? I don't know, guys, tell me what you guys think. It is lifted up, like upwards, like a tilt. Yeah, I have it like this a little bit so it could like help me clear a little bit more if I like, let me get this off the stand real quick. Sorry for the Bart, but I gotta live with it. But yeah guys, like I said, it's not real carbon fiber, it's fake, you know, but I'm gonna paint it black. I just wanted to have it like a little gloss look for now. But yeah, that's it guys. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If the audio is a little crappy, it's because I'm finishing the video with my phone. Sorry, someone was just looking at me. With my phone because my camera died. If you guys think the splitter is a little too aggressive for my car, please let me know in the comments down below. And feel free to ask any questions also in the comments down below. please consider subscribing, throw me a thumbs up, smash that notification bell, and also I want to say thank you to all you new subscribers. I guess you guys do enjoy my content, so that makes me get more motivated to make more for you guys. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.